Dear all, let's discuss about Trident share, a quick analysis on buy, sell or hold decision. Today, Trident share has made 16 rupees, a 52-week high. What should be our call? Should we buy, sell or hold it? Let's go ahead and see it. So let's see if there is any news in the market. Yesterday's news, it says Trident share skyrocket 20% on utilizing the proceeds from commercial papers. Today it made around 3.5% of high. However, yesterday it made 20% of high. Right. So what does the news says? The news says Trident Limited saw its shares see a woofing surge of almost 20% on Tuesday's trading session. Right. So the hike comes one day after the company announced that it has utilized the proceeds from its issue of commercial papers. What is the meaning of commercial papers? A lot of new investors are not aware of commercial papers, right? What is it? According to Investopedia, commercial paper is commonly used for unsecured short-term debt instrument issued by corporations, typically for financing of payroll, account payable and inventories, and meeting other short-term liabilities. Maturities on commercial paper typically last several days and rarely range longer than 270 days, right? Commercial paper is usually issued at a discount from a face value and reflects prevailing market interest rates. Just read this again. Commercial paper is usually issued at a discount from face value and reflects prevailing market interest rates. Right, so even though it looks like Trident is trying to optimize their operations or trying to bring in a lot of process or whatever it is, I don't think is going to benefit the share in longer term. That is my personal view. Let's go to the chart and see that. So I have a year chart here, and if you see, there's a lot of red lines that I have drawn, 4 red lines here. They're all the resistance which was created over the time. So for me, this chart looks very scary, right? So here, if you see, it is consistently going up and up, and the immediate resistance that we have, after considering today's share value at 16 rupees is 8 rupees 50 paise. This is disastrous, and it is a 50% down from where it is. Like I already told yesterday, it made a 20% high, and today it made a 3.5% high. It might fall with the market correction, right? I'm not saying that this will not go up any more further, but if the market correction happens, this is going to collapse dramatically. You can see one such correction here. Right, on December 21st, the market was in a correction mode, and if you see, all this while it was making a low, but it was making a gradual low. But on the day of market correction, it fell significantly, right? So my clear call on Trident would be, guys, exit the stock if you have the holdings still, right? Like I said again, I am not saying that it will definitely not go up. It might go up, but it is very risky trade to be in, right? If you have made the profit, better to exit out as early as possible. And if you have entered recently, maybe with a little bit of a profit or whatever is comfortable for you, I think you can go ahead and exit. And if still somebody wants to hold this, it is completely up to your appetite to lose in worst case scenarios. Please make sure to keep the proper stop losses as mentioned here at 735, 645, 490 and 355 rupees. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you so much.